Hello friends, thanks for stopping by. Today's video is all about the FabFitFun box. This is their fall box. It is a seasonal box and I have partnered with FabFitFun once again to share this box with you. Now each box is designed and very different from each season, and this one, as I mentioned, is their fall. Each box has a little bit of fashion, wellness, beauty, lifestyle in it, and I just think the boxes are great. So if you're somebody who's always looking for cute little boxes to put things in, this box is always impressive. And another thing about this is on the box, you will see right here it says City of Hope. That's because FabFitFun partners with charities for each season, and usually they are female-founded companies. Just a little bit about FabFitFun. So what I like to do is, I don't know what's in my box. I did customize a couple of things, but when I do it, I don't remember it by the time I get the box. So it's a surprise for me when I open up the box. Now the box is $49.99, but each box value is $200 or more. And I will have a code for you that you get $10 off your first order with FabFitFun. So you're getting a box that is worth over $200 for $39.99 if it's your first order. And another thing, I like to say this because a lot of times you might look at something and say, oh, well, I'm not sure that's for me. But you're always looking for gift ideas for somebody. If you have birthdays that fall seasonal, this is another great way to give a gift. And the budget would be $49.99 per box. So if that's within your budget, this is a great idea because it's got a couple of, you'll see when I open this box, it's got a lot of cute things in it, okay? So let's get busy. And another thing is when you do a subscription box, now I don't get into a lot of them. I have 2 subscription boxes that come to me. And what's really nice about them is it's an opportunity to try new products. And another thing about the products that are inside the FabFitFun is they are full sizes. You don't get the rinky-dink, okay? Remember that. All right, so again, the box is gorgeous. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to open up this beautiful box and see what's inside. When you open it up, remember I have not gone in here, my friends, but when you open it up, there will be a book inside that says FabFitFun. And this one has Meghan Trainor on the cover. And it says Beauty 101. It gets it, Let's Eat. It's got a lot of cute little articles in it, but it also will tell you about the products that are inside the box. But you know I don't want to peek at this because then I'll know what's in here. And I want to be surprised with you, all right? So you do get this, and then there are some cards here. So let's see, this one, it says, this season, leaves aren't the only thing bringing some color into your life. And then it says, fall in love with FabFitFun. And then here we get an $80 gift card for America's #1 meal kit, HelloFresh. Let me know in the comments if you have ever tried the HelloFresh. I cook all of our meals, so I don't ever think about this, but I think it might be a really good idea. So let me know if you have tried this and what you think. All right, so the box comes sealed with some tissue and a little heart. And again, each box has a different theme to it. And let's open it up. It's packed really nicely. All right, okay, so as usual, I'm just going to pick the first thing out. And the first thing I have, you all know that I love my Turby towels. And this one is After Spa Hair Towel. And it's hands-free, lightweight drying hair towel. So let's go ahead and cut this open. It's heat and frizz-free dry. I often talk about Turby towels because I absolutely love that they absorb a lot of the moisture, and because you're not rubbing back and forth, you are not creating frizz before it's even dried. So it's a really nice pink Turby towel. We love this. So this will go right into my collection of Turby towels. Okay, so our next item we have by Harper and Ari, the exfoliating sugar cubes, and this is Juice Cleanse. And let's open them up and smell them. Ooh, they smell really good. And all they are sugar cubes. And what you do is you will exfoliate your body with the sugar cube. I have used these before, and I really like them. I'll give you a little secret. if you're someone who does like bikini waxing and you have a little bit of a problem with ingrown hairs, using a sugar exfoliation really does help. So something like this is really nice, or if you're just somebody who really is into giving yourself a little spa from time to time, or if you're a gator like myself, these really work well, and they smell really fresh and clean. Okay, so I will use those in the shower. So our next item is, oh wow, this is from Aveda, and this is their Daily Hair Repair. Instant Visible Repair, protects from heat and styling. I haven't used an Aveda product in so long because it's not available in our area anymore. It used to be all over, and then they put it in salons. It smells, their products smell all clean, very fresh, really nice. So, all right, so let's see what this says. Leave-in treatment. Shake well, work a small amount of product into hands, apply through damp hair, comb, and distribute. So I will go ahead and give this a try and let you know how that works. Next item is from Humankind, Skincare with a Conscience. This is a body souffle, and it's natural, vegan, and cruelty-free. It says, lightly whipped for the ultimate in kindness, Human and Kind's 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle is quickly absorbed to leave your skin feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. Well, let's go ahead and see what it smells like. Okay, so I'm going to give it a little shake. I don't have to, but I just did. All right, so let's go ahead and try this out and see. It's a nice full size as well. And let's go ahead and smell it. It's very lightweight, very moisturizing. Oh, it smells very, very clean. Really, really nice. Yeah, that's very, very nice. And you can see it leaves my hand really moisturized. And it's non-greasy, which is nice. Okay, so the next item is a bag. And it is from Kate Spade. And it says out to lunch. So it's a little lunch bag, which is really cute. I like these over paper bags. And it is a reusable lunch bag. And how cute is that? It's insulated, so you can put whatever you want in there. And it's a really perfect size so that if you're carrying a tote, it will go nicely in the tote. So you get a nice little lunch bag from Kate Spade. Really, really cute. Okay. And next we have something from Amika. And this is a flat iron from Amika. Nice little flat iron. If you're somebody that uses a flat iron, you're going to the gym, you're traveling, just a nice, perfect size. It's about just less than a 1 inch. So a nice flat iron if you're someone who uses flat irons. You know I do not, but I do have family members that do use flat irons, and it comes with a nice little case to put it in, little carrying bag. All right, so let's see what we have here. This is from Wander, Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. So of course these are eye masks from Wander, and you know I am a masking queen, so I will put these to good use. And these are Baggage Claim individually packaged gold fold eye mask to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. So more eye masks. I may have used these in the past, and I think I liked them. So we have that. So now we have, what is this? This is from Cosmetic Pure C. Let me get my zoom lens. This is vitamin C mixing crystals, and it says ascorbic acid. So if you wanted to make your own, it says mix crystals in a few shakes with any of your favorite Cosmodex products and apply to face. So you can mix this in if you don't have any of the Cosmodex products. I'm sure that you could mix this in with any product you have that you wanted. And this is pure L-ascorbic acid. And that is it for my FabFitFun unboxing. So I got a nice little lunch bag. I got some sugar scrubs, which you know I need scrubs all the time. And this is another thing, if you do at-home pedicures, this sugar scrub would be really nice to use on your feet. So I'll be putting that to good use. I got a new body lotion, a new clean, vegan, cruelty-free body lotion to try. And again, I would have never heard of this product. And we also have the Aveda Damage Remedy. This is a leave-in conditioner. Some eye masks that I will probably use within the next couple of days. Some pure crystal vitamin C. You can add this to any cream you choose. A Turvy towel. And again, a flat iron. So I think this was another great box. So remember, there will be a code below for you for $10 off your first order. And this is a seasonal box, comes 4 times a year. And this is their fall box. I have videos showing all of their other boxes, and I'm sure you could probably go on the website, which I will link below for you. And I think you could probably see some past boxes, maybe not, but a lot of the companies will do that. And don't forget that they do allow you to customize certain items in the box. So go over to the website, take a look, use my code if you're interested. Let me know if you're receiving the FabFitFun box and what you think of it. Have you been pretty happy with most of the selections? I know that I have gotten in the past have allowed me to try new products. And also, remember when I got the fleece-lined glove in the winter? They were great because I could take the fingers back and I could walk the dogs with them, or you can pump your gas, or you can use your cell phone. So they were really cute, and it had a little, I think it had like a little muff with it or something. I don't know. It's in the winter box. All right, my friends, that's it. Thanks to FabFitFun for partnering with me on this video. Always my pleasure. I love sharing this box with all of you because if it's not for you, it's a great gift idea. That's how I look at things. So that's it. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification so you are made aware of all the videos I'm putting out. Go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. Bisous.